Welcome to my channel Glory with Mathematics. Please subscribe, like and share.
Dear students, in our last class we have discussed so many basic points regarding circles. Here in this section we shall prove some theorems for circles. So before going to the theorem, you have to know what is the angle subtended by a chord at a point on the circle. So here I have drawn a circle where O is the center of the circle. O is the center and PQ is a chord. So here by the PQ chord, the angle subtended at point R by PQ is PRQ. So angle PRQ is the angle subtended by PQ at point R. And similarly, the PSQ angle is subtended by PQ at point S. So angle PSQ is the angle subtended by PQ at point S. And here O is the center, so POQ is the angle subtended by the chord PQ at center. So angle POQ is the angle subtended by PQ at center. So these angles we will use in theorems. So let us prove our first theorem. This is the theorem, our first theorem. Equal chords of a circle subtend equal angles at the center. So here it is given that O is the center of the circle and equal chords AB and CD are two chords which are equal. So here AB is equal to CD. So to prove, we have to prove equal chords make equal angle at the center. So by the chord AB, the angle subtended at the center is AOB and angle DOC is the angle subtended by chord CD at center O. So to prove AOB is equal to angle COD. So then construction. No construction is required. Already I have drawn the angles. So proof. So here two triangles are formed. AOB triangle and COD triangle. In triangle AOB and triangle COD, what are the equal parts? First, AO is equal to CO, radius, and BO is equal to DO. This is also radius, and AB is equal to CD. So this is given. So this implies triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COD by SSS congruence rule. So this implies angle AOB is equal to angle COD by CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangles. So this is proved. The angles subtended by equal chords are equal. Next theorem, this is the converse of our first theorem. If the angles subtended by the chords of a circle at the center are equal, then the chords are equal. So here it is given that these two angles, this is the angle subtended by the chord AB and this is COD angle, this is subtended by chord CD. So these two angles are equal. It is given that. So given angle AOB is equal to angle COD. So we have to prove to prove AB is equal to CD. So proof. So we'll take two triangles AOB and COD. So in triangle AOB and triangle COD. So AO is equal to CO, radius of the circle, and angle AOB is equal to angle COD. This is given, and BO is equal to DO. So these are also radius. So this implies triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COD by SAS congruence rule. So this implies AB is equal to CD by CP/CT, corresponding parts of congruent triangles. So this we have proved. Next theorem, the perpendicular from the center of a circle to a chord bisect the chord. So here it is given that in this circle O is the center and OC is perpendicular to AB. That is, AB is a chord. So we have to prove that perpendicular from the center bisect the chord. That means we have to prove AC is equal to BC. So here we have to construct join OA and join OB. Join OA and OB. So next we have to prove. So we'll take these two triangles, ACO and BCO triangle. In these two triangles, AO is equal to BO. That means they are radius of this circle. And OC is common to both the triangles. And angle OCB is equal to angle OCA 90 degree. So by RHS congruence rule, these two triangles will be congruent. So in triangle ACO and triangle BCO, OA is equal to OB, radius, and OC is equal to OC, common, and angle OCA is equal to angle OCB because they are 90 degree. So this implies triangle ACO is congruent to triangle BCO by RHS congruence rule. So this implies AC is equal to BC by CP/CT. So we have proved that the perpendicular drawn from the center to a chord bisect that chord. So this is proved. Let us prove the next theorem. So this is the converse of our last theorem 10.3. The line drawn through the center of a circle to bisect a chord is perpendicular to the chord. So here it is given that O is the center, AB is a chord, and OC is the line from the center to the chord, and it is given that AC is equal to BC because in the statement it is given that the line drawn from the center bisect the chord. Then to prove, we have to prove the angle OC is perpendicular to AB. That means OCA is equal to OCB, OCA is equal to angle OCB is equal to 90 degree. Then construction. So join OA and OB. Join OA and OB. So we'll take these two triangles. What are the equal parts in between these two triangles? So OA is equal to OB because they are the radius of the circle, and OC is common to both the triangles, and AC is equal to BC, it is given. So by SSS congruence rule, these two triangles are congruent. So in triangle OCA and triangle OCB, OA is equal to OB, radius. OC is equal to OC, common, and AC is equal to BC. This is given. So this implies triangle OCA is congruent to triangle OCB by SSS congruence rule. So this implies angle OCA is equal to angle OCB by CT. These two angles are equal, but they are linear pair. That means their sum is 180 degree. But angle OCA plus angle OCB is equal to 180 degree. Linear pair. So this implies angle OCA is equal to angle OCB is equal to 90 degree. Or this implies OC is perpendicular to